Hey there guys, it's Gus. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the new Infraction 3S BLX. I have not even popped this one open yet, but take a peek here. It's pretty much the same as the rest of the 3S. Got the 1.35 mod gears with the rubber shielded bearings. Like the rest of the BLX, it has the metal motor mounting plate. This one has a DX3 or radio and a 6200 receiver. It has a 3900 kV motor in there, and then I believe it is 100. Or is it 120 amp ESC? I forget. I know it says here somewhere. It's capable with all the Bluetooth module, all that fun stuff in there. Alright, let's get her popped open and see what we got. Looks pretty nice. I got the gold color because it kind of looks like rust on there, so I thought that was pretty neat. So we got some Sure is a nice looking truck there. So pop open the box here. This is probably just the radio, a couple other odds and ends in here. Yep, our DX3 transmitter. Speed pinion. And a wrench and a couple Allen keys. Alright, get the body popped off of here. So, as most of you are probably already aware, this is pretty much just the Vendetta with a different body on it. It's different in the front for the different body, of course, but otherwise it would be pretty much the same. Everything has the Vendetta tires, and I am actually planning on changing this one. I have a different body in mind. It's gonna take a little bit of tweaking here and there, but I should be able to get that to work on there. Auto is gonna have to widen her up, but I think we'll be all right. So that will be up and coming. Yeah, everything looks real good. This I am going to do a couple speed runs with the stock gear, the speed gear, and then I'm going to put it back to the stock gear because that's probably as fast as I'm going to want it to go. I only want it about 50-55. And for reliability, I may even up it to a 120 amp on 4S with a different motor. Just for, it's actually going to be more of a rally car than a speed car. So that is my plans for this thing. Even though its body is pretty sick. but I really don't have many places to run something like this. I could be wrong. I could take this out I was planning on doing it today, but it's raining again, so today all we're going to do is to get a little unboxing here, show you what you get, and I'll have another video up hopefully tomorrow, and I'm going to run this thing up at the high school parking lot, and should have enough room there to open this thing up. But that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on whatever, let me know, and I will try to answer those for you in the upcoming video. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.